During the later Vedic period, we saw the emergence of Janapadas. By the end of the later Vedic period, in the 6th century BCE, we see the rise of even larger Janapadas called Mahajanapadas that emerged as the earliest states of ancient India. Emergence of the three kinds of villages. First, typical villages, where people from various castes and communities lived. Suburban villages, where craftsmen lived. Border villages, where mostly hunters and gatherers lived. Condition of the four Varnas. Brahman, studying and teaching the Veda, performing sacrifices for himself and others, giving and receiving gifts. Kshatriya, protecting people. Vaishyas, agriculture, cattle rearing, trade and money lending. Shudra, serving the other three higher Varnas. Types of marriage patterns in Mahajanapadas. Brahma, the father adorns his daughter with costly clothes and ornaments and gives her to a man learned in Veda. Daiva, the father gives his daughter in marriage to an officiating priest during the course of a sacrifice. Arsha, the father gives his daughter after taking a pair of cattle as a custom and not as a sale of a daughter. Prajapati, the father gives his daughter after saying to the couple, "May both of you perform your religious duties together." Asura, the father gives the daughter to the groom in exchange for wealth. Gandharva, it is love marriage through mutual consent. Rakshasa, one in which the girl is forcibly abducted after beating or killing her relatives. Paishacha, when a man has sex with a girl while she is asleep, unconscious or mentally disordered. The rise of Magadha. During the lifetime of the Buddha, of the 16 Mahajanapadas, 4 emerged as most powerful. These were Vatsha, Avanti, Kosala and Magadha. Of them, Magadha emerged supreme and founded an empire. What are the causes of rise of the Magadha? Geographical factors, fertile plains, strategically located capitals. Economic factor, supply of iron, supply of elephants, supply of timber. Social factors, ambitious kings, the people. During Haryanga dynasty, first ruler Bimbisara, he was not the founder but may be called the real founder of his dynasty and Magadhan empire. He initiated the policy of war and conquest. He had diplomatic relations with the ruler of Gandhara. His 3 wives, Kosala Devi, Chelana and Princess Khema. Next, Ajatasattu. According to Buddhist tradition, he usurped the throne, imprisoned Bimbisara and starved him to death. Udayan. He was the immediate successor of Ajatasattu and he founded the city of Patliputra. In Shishunaga dynasty, first ruler Shishunaga, he founded a second capital at Vaishali. He was succeeded by his son Kakavarman or Kalasuka. Kalasuka, he shifted the capital from Rajagriha to Patliputra. He has been killed by Mahapadmananda. Nanda dynasty. The Nandas were the first non-Kshatriya dynasty. They are also described as the first dynasty with imperial ambitions, though its ambitions were cut short and it were the Mauryans that ultimately founded the first empire in India. The rulers Mahapadmananda or Ugrasena. He is the founder of Nanda dynasty. The Hathigumpha inscription of King Kharavela, which speaks of the conquest of Kalinga, indicates that parts of Kalinga were under the Nanda control. Next, Dhanananda. He was the last Nanda ruler according to the Buddhist tradition.